Step into the world of Delftware elegance with this magnificent blue and white bowl and cover flower vase, crafted circa 1690 in Delft. Marked with the initials AK for Adrianus Kocx, the owner of the Grieksche A, the Grieksche A factory, from 1686 to 1701, this masterpiece exemplifies the pinnacle of Delftware artistry. Notice the exquisite handles adorned with open mouth, dragon or phoenix heads, a symbol of power and prosperity in Eastern mythology. The intricate painted birds, peonies and foliate motifs evoke a sense of natural beauty and tranquility. The Delft potters were masters of innovation, continually refining their craft to produce ever more extravagant tablewares. This particular design, with its domed cover and intricate spouts, represents a pinnacle of their creativity. Similar examples can be found in prestigious institutions such as the Museum Boijmans van Beuningen in Rotterdam, the Rijksmuseum in Amsterdam, and even the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York, each bearing the mark of Adrianus Kocx. The rich provenance of this vase adds another layer of intrigue to its story. Previously in the esteemed collection of Prince and Princess Sadruddin Aga Khan, this masterpiece graced their home with its timeless beauty until 2020. From royal residences to renowned museums, this blue and white bowl and cover flower vase has captivated admirers across centuries and continents. As we admire this exquisite work of art, let us reflect on the enduring legacy of Delftware craftsmanship. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and consider exploring another video from our channel by clicking here. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking the circle to stay updated on our latest releases. Until next time.